Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey, welcome back to my channel everyone. I know it's been a couple months, but my account was compromised. Luckily, I was able to get it back. Shout out to YouTube support team for getting everything back as it was. So welcome back. Sure you missed all my videos. So let's jump into it. So we're having the COVID-19 going on, market crash going on. So I'll be making videos on how to deal with the market crash and how to take advantage of it. Alright, let's jump into the trades that we had today. So we'll do a quick recap on the trades. So the first one we had at 9:31 a.m. I'm in Eastern time. So right now it's March 20th and right now it's about noon. But this morning we took BA long over 100. This was a pretty quick trade. So right at the gates, right at the open, I was looking at the BA trade. Being that it closed around 100 area right there yesterday, I look at the previous day close, previous day entry, and look at the support resistance, make a note it down, or put it on the Thinkorswim alerts. And what happens, I see it there, that 100 is going to be that support and resistance. So as soon as I saw it break over 100, I called it out a little early. What happened? I called out a long over 100 for day trade, and I got in at 100. I put in a limit order, and what happened? It went up and then immediately took profits and then took the rest over there. And what happened? But put a trailing stop just to protect my profits because markets have been very volatile. Came down, sold break even on the rest. So I sold all of those at 101.33. That was a nice $1.33 move on that one. The next one we took was UVXY, alerted this at 87.95. So let's jump into the UVXY chart. So we took this long at 10:08 a.m. at 87.95. So that's right about here. And we got in 87.95. What happened on the reversal? Went up, rejected, and then came back down. So it took really quick profits on that one. Was about $1, a little bit over $1 move on that one. And then it kept going down. Got rejected off the 9 EMA and kept going down. So that was a very quick move. That was only about 30 seconds to a minute maximum on that trade. The next one, I was looking for markets to reverse. I took TQQQ long at 41.95. If you don't know what this is, this tracks the QQQ index, but it's a 3x ETF, so it's a leverage fund. So this moves a lot faster, a lot more than the normal QQQ, which is a NASDAQ index ETF. So what happened? I took this long at about 41.95. That was at 10:08, and what happened? I saw this reversal coming up, and then I saw at 10:08 that huge green candle went up, and I took it right a little bit below because I was looking for rejection off weave up. So I was looking for a nice gap up and then come back down. And then what happened? It just followed out perfectly right there. We saw the 9 EMA curl up, and it happened to go over 42.5 to 43 for exit, and I sold at 42.53 because I stuck to my plan, 42.53. And what happened? It came down immediately after, but notice that it broke over 9 EMA, kept following up all the way. So it actually went all the way up to about 43.7 or so, more than $1 move on that one. Last one, this was, I took a small position on UVXY again. I was looking for markets to reverse, but what happened? I took an entry on this one at about 77.2, and I had a little bit more, 76.42, with the stop loss about 76. What happened? I didn't follow through and just kept coming down as markets reverse. If we look at SPY, that's SPY, that's S&P 500 index ETF, it kept going up, but volatility came down. And what happened? As soon as it kept going down, I cut my losses at 76 and just kept going down and went all the way down to 72.33. Notice that it tried to jump back up over here in this section, but it couldn't. And what happened? Kept going down. That's why I stick to risk management, and it's very important to cut losses when you need to, especially in the volatile market like this. You don't want to be getting wiped out with $3-4 per share move if you have thousands of shares. That's a pretty hefty move. So what happens? It found a base about 72.33, and look at the previous day resistance and support levels. It's broke that level and went below. So there's no saying where it's gonna go. So it just kept going down and let it go down. What happened? It finally came back up later on, but I cut losses on this about 76. So I was out of that trade. So we don't hold on to losing trades in the chat room. I took a smaller position to protect the profits from the previous trades. So that's how I played out these 4 trades. And we also had great call outs by PJ. He had a lot of options trades overnight and also a lot of day trades he's been calling out. So shout out to PJ on those. So this is how we trade in the chat room. Just take advantage of the volatile markets, and it's a great time to make money or lose money if you don't know what you're doing. But if you want to learn how I take these trades and how I get into these risk management strategies, how I take these, get in and out quick on day trades, or how I manage my risk and find these setups, make sure to head over to pinnacletrading.us. And I do have a course that I announced around Christmas time, and this will teach you all about trading, investing, stock market education, what the market is, different strategies, and my secrets that I've used. And if you want to get 50% off of this price, make sure to send me a message in the chat room. If you're not already in the chat room, head over to my channel, and in the description there'll be a link to join the chat room, or there'll be a button up here if you're a subscriber. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share if you found this helpful. I'll be coming out with more videos on how to deal with market crashes, recessions, take advantage of it so that you can invest for long-term or even trade it for short-term profits. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe,